Hey there, today I'll walk you through how to set up and using your YC-100 premium humidifier. Let's get started. Step 1. Placement and sensor setup. First, position your humidifier in the cabinet or humidor. The 1-meter sensor wire gives you flexibility. Place the sensor where your cigars are stored for the most accurate humidity readings. Step 2. Water refueling. Open the wide mouth lid. You'll appreciate how easy this design makes refueling. Now let's fill the tank. We recommend using distilled water for best performance. Watch the water level indicate as we fill. The optimal range is between 5.8 and 8 on this scale. We are now at 6, which is perfect. Step 3. Control panel mastery. Let's power on the unit. Currently it shows off. Press the power button to active. Now it displays the current humidity, in this case 52% RH. To set your desired range, first press and hold on the down button for 3 seconds until the display flashes. Now use the up and down buttons to set your aim humidity. We'll set 8% RH. When the flashing is over, we are done. The operation to set the start humidity setting is the same as the stop humidity setting. Please pay attention. Stop humidity data is always higher than the start humidity. Otherwise, it will turn into the fault code. That's today's tutorial on how to use the cigar humidifier. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cigar humidifier related content. I'm Cloud from Get Your Air. Thank you for watching.